Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to unlink my chart accounts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your MyChart application, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is just simply click on the menu option right here, and once you're inside your menu option, there you'll be seeing a bunch of options as well. Now among them, what you need to do is just simply select manage my account section or option and then tap on it. And once you do that, here you'll be able to see the link accounts option, and once you click on it, all the accounts that are linked will be listed right there. Now in order to unlink it, what you need to do is just simply tap on the link, and then you'll find the option to unlink it. All you gotta do is simply tap on the unlink option, and that's basically how you unlink MyChart accounts, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.